So I got my new exhaust system from 42 Draft Designs earlier in the week. Had it installed on Wednesday. Today is Sunday. Just recorded a couple videos. And basically I'm just here to talk about how much I like it instead of typing out a huge long video description. So first of all, obviously the sound. The thing sounds incredible. Compared to stock, it's a completely different car now. Really enjoyable. It really turns the TT into a sports car. The TT is kind of a sports car when it's stock. Now it's a sports car. Sounds incredible. Just a tiny bit of drone between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs. Nothing crazy. Nothing that's gonna drive you absolutely insane or anything like that. It's got from 42 Draft, it's got a MagnaFlow muffler and a MagnaFlow resonator. Which I think are a pretty good pair. They work well, they sound nice, the car isn't ridiculously loud to the point where you're going to be getting pulled over all the time for it. That was one of my concerns. I was really hoping that it wasn't going to be so loud that I was going to be getting in a lot of trouble, basically. The videos I took from inside the car really don't do the exhaust any justice at all. I'm going to upload the video anyway, just because I said I would. But the videos from outside the car are really the ones that you should pay attention to if you want to hear how the exhaust sounds. For whatever reason, the iPhone's camera just doesn't pick up the sound from inside the car at all. Even the stock videos, the car was way louder than the video makes it sound. But even more so now with the new exhaust. Video doesn't sound anything like it does from inside the car. It's a lot louder than the video sounds. So the version that I got is their 3-inch turbo back exhaust race edition, so there's no cat. I figured if I was going to do it, I was going to do it right. So I'm really glad that I made the decision that I did. It was a little bit expensive because I also added the stainless steel option. So it costs a little bit of money, but I really think it was worth it in the long run. Power gains are incredible. Really, really noticeable difference, especially through first and second gear. Thing takes off. It's way faster than it used to be, and I wish I had, really tried to record a 0 to 60 run before I got the exhaust installed. I haven't recorded a 0 to 61 with the exhaust, but it's fast. I like it. There's no tune right now. It's all, stock ECU. The only other things I have on it are a turbo inlet pipe, diverter valve relocation kit, the APR R1 diverter valve, and the 42 Draft air intake for the TT. It's a TT 225. So without further ado, enjoy the video.